another video. Today we're gonna draw one of the beautiful girls on art. The name herself Cole, and people know her name is melodykipgen. So I'm so excited to see you all back again, and I hope I'm gonna see good comments and like, share and subscribe. Firstly, I want you to understand my language, so I'm using English. Thank you Miss Melo for participating in 23K subscriber giveaway, and I have reduced the price of hard drawing around 50%. By the way, she loves much about my art and appreciation of my work, so she's continuing to draw her face. This reference is one of the best reference I have ever got before. I have never got before, because it looked a dark and simple face and smiley face. So I hope we're gonna love the picture. And this is not about money or price or any other aspect, but by the love of the Kukilan people, I come across a lot of trouble. If anyone interested, you can kindly comment down, but I will not lay down the details in this comment, but you can kindly text me on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. I will be available for you all, and to ask you all to follow my Instagram accounts and Facebook accounts, so that we can be friends or following each other. So guys, please follow and visit my account, two of my account, that is Instagram and Facebook. In that media, in that apps, I have posting a lot of drawing, so that you can see more detail about my drawing, and sometimes I have seen a lot. So you gonna check it out, so that you can see what I love, what I want to do. So guys, I really appreciate you all for watching my video, and please pray for me, so that I can get more healthy and more learn to speak how to speak cleanly in English. So guys, have a nice day. Bye.